Imagine this. It's a busy Wednesday evening, the kids are starving, and you're juggling a Zoom call while trying to whip up dinner. Sound familiar? What if you could cook a juicy roast chicken and crispy fries at the same time without breaking a sweat? Enter this Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360 air fryer oven combo with French door, a 25-quart kitchen powerhouse that's about to revolutionize how you cook. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or someone who loves hosting epic dinner parties, this air fryer oven combo is designed to make your life easier, tastier, and way more exciting. Why you'll fall in love with the Emeril Lagasse 360. The Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360 isn't your average air fryer. It's like having a personal chef and a sous chef rolled into one. Here's why it's stealing the spotlight. Dual Zone cooking magic. Picture this. You're craving pizza, but your partner wants grilled salmon. With 2 independent temperature zones, this air fryer double door lets you cook both dishes simultaneously, each with its own perfect settings. No more compromising on dinner. QuickSync technology. Ever had one dish ready while the other's still cooking? Not anymore. QuickSync syncs cooking times across zones, so everything hits the table hot and fresh. It's like having a restaurant-grade kitchen at home. Massive 25-quart capacity. Feeding a crowd? This air fryer large family size can handle it. Remove the divider for a spacious oven that fits a whole turkey or a tray of cookies. It's perfect for holidays or game day feasts. From frozen to fabulous. Forgot to thaw those shrimp? No problem. This air fry oven goes from frozen to finished up to 60% faster than traditional methods. Think sizzling scampi in 10 minutes flat. 10 appliances in one. Why clutter your counter with a toaster, oven, and slow cooker? This air fryer toaster oven combo does it all. Air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, and more. It's the Swiss Army knife of kitchen tools. 24 cooking presets. Not sure how to cook ribs or proof dough? With presets for everything from pizza to pastries, this convection oven air fryer takes the guesswork out of cooking. Just press a button and let it work its magic. Sleek French door design. Beyond function, this oven looks gorgeous. The French doors open smoothly, giving you easy access and a touch of elegance that elevates your kitchen aesthetic. Let's paint a picture of how the Emeril Lagasse 360 shines in action. Busy weeknights. You're home late and the kids are clamoring for snacks. Toss frozen chicken wings in one zone and veggies in the other. In minutes, you've got a balanced meal without the hassle. Weekend gatherings. Hosting a barbecue. Slow cook ribs in one zone while air frying crispy onion rings in the other. Your guests will be raving about the food and your hosting skills. Meal prep. Like a pro. Sunday meal prep just got easier. Roast a batch of chicken breasts in one zone while baking sweet potato fries in the other. You'll have lunches ready for the week in half the time. Dessert dreams. Craving something sweet? Use the pastry preset to whip up golden croissants or dehydrate fruit for healthy snacks. This oven's versatility knows no bounds. Benefits that make a difference. So, what's the real payoff? Here are the top benefits that set this air fryer apart. Time-saving versatility. With dual zones and presets, you'll cut cooking time dramatically, freeing you up for what matters: family, friends, or just relaxing. Healthier meals made simple. Air frying uses up to 70% less oil than traditional frying, so you can enjoy crispy fries or wings without the guilt. Stress-free cooking. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef, the intuitive controls and presets make every dish foolproof. Who's it for? This air fryer oven combo is perfect for families. Feed everyone at once with its extra large capacity. Busy professionals, quick meals without sacrificing flavor. Entertainers, impress guests with restaurant-quality dishes. Health-conscious cooks, enjoy fried foods with less oil. Why it's trending in 2025 social media is buzzing about this air fryer, and it's no surprise why. With hashtags like Judge an Air Fryer Life, Shut Kitchen Hacks, Shut Healthy Cooking, Shut Foodie Vibes, and Shut Meal Prep Goals. Lighting up Facebook, users are sharing their drool-worthy creations made with this oven. From golden fries to succulent roasts, the Emeril Lagasse 360 is inspiring home cooks to get creative. Final thoughts? Is it worth it? If you're tired of juggling multiple appliances or stressing over dinner, the Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360 air fryer oven combo is your answer. It's not just an air fryer, it's a lifestyle upgrade. With its dual zone cooking, massive capacity, and presets that make cooking a breeze, it's like having Emeril himself in your kitchen. Whether you're air frying snacks or roasting a feast, this oven delivers flavor, speed, and style. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our